everybody, Bill. Welcome to my new pad for my new building. If you're a regular to the channel, welcome back. If you're new, thank you for being here. It's been a couple months since I last uploaded a video to the channel, but if you're a regular, you will have seen the post that I did that said I was going to take some time off and take a break. So there were some things that I needed to get done, and this was one of them. I'll tell you about this here in just a second. My wife and I took a month off and headed down to Tennessee, where we spent 3 weeks exploring everything there was to explore in the Smoky Mountains. And if you want to see any of that, you can head on over to the other channel, Rust to Resurrection, where I've been documenting a lot of that trip, along with getting some of the Jeeps up and running over there on the channel as well. So if you're interested in Jeeps, or if you're interested in the Smoky Mountains, head on over and you can see some of that journey that we took. Visited a lot of great sites and some museums along the way. But let's talk about this. This has been a little bit of a job because we tore down the old cow shelter or cow shed from the farm, and we're putting in a new building here on the same location. The new building is pre-constructed and it's coming in on a truck, all built. So I had to clear away that old building, and then I had to build a pad for it. This is all a bluestone gravel pad. It's all leveled and packed. We've been packing it now over and over for days. And I had to build a ramp for that building to come down, because when they offload it from the trailer, they're going to put wheels under it, and then they have a special fork truck, I guess, that they use to push it around. So I had to build this ramp because, frankly, things are pretty wet around here. So the building will get dropped off somewhere in this area, and then they'll hook it up with the wheels and the fork truck, and they'll come down here and they'll roll it down the ramp in order to get the building installed. I'm thinking this is going to be a one bite of the apple kind of thing, that they're going to get this thing in because things are not drying up around here. I don't know what it's been like in your side of the woods or your side of the country, but around here it has not stopped raining for a month, and things are just soaked and they're just wet. So anyway, that's where we are. That's where we've been at. That doesn't mean we're not working in the shop. Getting this thing done, getting this thing prepped has been my focus and my job. You know, I had to dig all this out and to build that ramp. But we are back in the shop. I am now currently working on a Ruger 44 carbine rifle stock, and that video will be coming out maybe this Sunday, I'm hoping. We'll see how that works, because I'm needing to do some pretty significant modifications to that rifle stock. So that video is coming out. So guys, really appreciate you giving me the time off. I really appreciate being able to work on some of these projects, and not being in the shop has actually been very helpful. So we are headed back into the shop. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do all those kind of YouTube-y things. The channel is really growing really nice, and it's all because of you folks, and appreciate you. And I will see you in that video coming up in the next few days. Bye, guys.